Have you ever wondered why some founders spend tens of thousands of dollars only to discover their core idea doesn't actually work? It happens more often than you'd think. Not because they lacked passion, because they skipped one critical step, a proof of concept. Here's what many founders don't realize. A proof of concept isn't a prototype, and it isn't a finished product. It's the fastest, smartest, and least expensive way to answer one question. Will the core technology actually work? Before you invest in everything else. Because if the answer is no, you want to find out now, not after you've paid for industrial design, mechanical engineering, electronics, firmware, tooling, manufacturing. This is where many teams make a costly mistake. They try to build the final product before proving the hardest part. Instead, we isolate the biggest technical risk, then we attack it first. Can the mechanism generate enough force? Can the sensor produce accurate data? Can the motor deliver the required performance? Can the electronics communicate reliably? Can the technology do what it's supposed to do? Those are the questions a proof of concept is designed to answer. Nothing more, nothing less. Here's another surprise. A proof of concept usually isn't pretty. It doesn't need a polished enclosure. It doesn't need beautiful industrial design. It doesn't need production materials. It doesn't even need to resemble the final product. Its only job is to remove technical uncertainty as quickly as possible. At Rabbit Product Design, we focus on validating the highest risk part of your product first, because every unanswered question creates more risk later. And the sooner you answer those questions, the smarter every future investment becomes. We've worked with founders who were ready to build a complete prototype, but after developing a proof of concept, they discovered a better approach. Sometimes the mechanism changed. Sometimes the electronics changed. Sometimes the entire direction changed. And sometimes, the proof of concept confirmed everything worked exactly as planned. Either outcome is a win, because you're making decisions based on evidence, not assumptions. That's the power of a proof of concept. It gives you confidence, or it gives you answers, before the expensive work begins. At Rabbit Product Design, our senior engineers have developed proof of concepts across consumer, medical, industrial, commercial, and connected products. We know how to identify the biggest technical risks, and more importantly, how to validate them efficiently. Because great product development isn't about hoping your idea works, it's about proving it, one step at a time. If you're serious about bringing a new product to market, don't start by building everything. Start by validating the one thing that matters most. Schedule a free strategy session. Click the link in the description below to learn more. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and ring the bell.